Hello students, we have seen arithmetic mean, properties of arithmetic mean, some examples on arithmetic mean. Now we learn the median. Median of a distribution is the value of the variable which divide the series into two equal parts. It is the value such that the number of observations before it is equal to the number of observations after it. It is the positional average. Now, in case of ungrouped data, suppose you have the ungrouped data, you arrange the ungrouped data in descending order or ascending order. If the number of observations are odd, then the median is the middle term. Or if the number of observations are even numbers, then you arrange the observation in ascending order or descending order. Then there are two middle terms. Then you take or you find the median by taking the average of that two middle terms or arithmetic mean of that two middle terms. Suppose, example, if you have the observations 5, 8, 7, 3, 10. You take any numbers. So how find the median? You arrange the observations. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations are there. So you arrange in descending order or ascending order. 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So these are observations. Then middle term is 7. Means it divides the series into two equal parts. There are two observations before it and two observations after it. Therefore, median is the middle term. Therefore, median is 7. Here, the observations are odd in numbers. Now, if the observations are even in numbers, suppose 10, 6, 14, 16, 18, 25. So here 6 observations. So you arrange in descending magnitude, order of magnitude or ascending order of magnitude. Lowest number is 6, then 10, then 14, 16, 18, 25. So there are two middle terms, 16 and 14. Therefore, median is equal to arithmetic mean of two middle terms, 14 plus 16 upon 2. 14 plus 16 means 30. 30 upon 2 means 15. Therefore, median is equal to 15. So, in this way, in case of ungrouped data, you find the median. Ungrouped distribution or observations are given. Suppose in case of ungrouped frequency distribution, means you have given the variables and frequency of the variable, then how you find the median? In case of ungrouped frequency distribution, median is obtained by considering the cumulative frequency. So what are the steps for calculating the median in that case? So steps are as follows. First step, find n by 2, and you know that n means sum of all observations, where n is equal to summation of fi, I is going from 1 to n. Sum of all observations. First step is find n by 2. And second step is see the cumulative frequency. See the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. Just greater than n by 2. First step is find n by 2, where n is sum of all frequencies. Second step is see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. And third step is then corresponding value of variable. See the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. Corresponding variable is required median. So corresponding variable means corresponding to the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2 is the median. Now using these steps we take how to find the median. We take one example. We see the example of median in case of variables are given and corresponding frequency is given. So find the median for the following frequency distribution. You have the frequency distribution, variable x and frequency of variable. 1 having the frequency 8, 2 having the frequency 10, variable 3 having the frequency 11, variable 4 having the frequency 16, variable 5 frequency 20, variable 6 frequency 25, variable 7 frequency 15, variable 8 frequency 9 and variable 9 having the frequency 6. So this is the example. So how you find the solution? You know that here variables are given and corresponding frequencies are given. So median is obtained by using cumulative frequencies. Here variables x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and corresponding frequencies 8, 10, 11, 16, 20, 25, 15, 9, 8, 6. So first you find n. So sum of all frequencies 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 16 plus 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 9 plus 6 is 120. So how you find the cumulative frequency? 8. You know the definition of cumulative frequency 8. Then second 8 plus 10 18. Then 18 plus 11 29. 29 plus 16 45. 45 plus 20 65. 65 plus 25 90. 90 plus 15 105. 105 plus 9 114. And 114 plus 6 120. So first step is find n by 2. Here first n. What is n? Sum of all frequencies 120. Second step is find n by 2. Means 120 upon 2. 120 upon 2 means 60. Then third step is see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. So here n by 2 is 60. See the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. So cumulative frequencies are these. So cumulative frequency just greater than 60 is 65. And the corresponding value of 65 or corresponding variable of 65 is 5. Therefore, required median is 5. Then cumulative frequency just greater than 60 is 65. And corresponding variable of 65 is 5. And corresponding variable of 65 is 5 and median is 5. So in this way, if you have the variables and corresponding frequency of that variables, then median is obtained in this way. There are so many examples, but one example is sufficient here. So we stop here. Thank you.